Look at this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This Silverado 3500 HD has just under 103,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, seat adjuster, driver 6-way power, not available with regular cab models, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear standard on CC 30903 models. Standard width, GED, 9,700 pounds. GVWR, single rear wheel, and C4M, 9,900 pounds GVWR, single rear wheel. Included with Z71, off-road suspension package, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine block heater, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel and the transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, electronic engine grade braking and 2-with-whole mode, requires, LMM, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel engine. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.